Hey YouTube, today I've got something really special for you. Today we've got a first look video on the new iPhone 12 Max Pro. Just kidding. Actually today we've got a first look video on this new Symphony desktop. Just about the same cost, far more exciting. So let's get to it. And this is my first time opening the box, so ooh, look at that. Got a nice little magnet. The box flips up. This is way fancier presentation than, say, the Apogee Element. Plugins, step-by-step guide. We've taken care of that. Here we have the Symphony itself, nicely encased. You know, here I'm kind of surprised. It's big, but it's maybe not as big as I thought it was going to be. It's still a fairly compact unit. Sadly, no, world clock BNC in and out, like my Element 2.4 that this will eventually be replacing. But otherwise, if you only really need 2 channels of input and 2 channels of output, so to speak, this is, a great set of connectivity. You've got your multi-ins, dual headphone outputs, left and right outputs. These unfortunately are 1/4 inch instead of XLR. Not a big deal. I'm currently wired for XLR for my monitors, but we can live with that. That's a pretty easy change, easy fix. So yeah, beautiful. Touchscreen is pretty big, but not huge. I don't think that that'll be a problem. There's the styrofoam piece is just styrofoam. Then you've got this second other box, a quick start guide, a very quick start guide. And then here we've got this other box with a USB stick. I suspect maybe this has the plugins or drivers in it. Doesn't look like an iLock. You've got a power supply. Unfortunately, this is required for this device. Does not do bus power. And then we have USB-A to USB-C and USB-C to USB-C. Looking forward to testing this out in just a minute.